Hi everyone, got ourselves a new bike to the floor, 2025 CVO Pan America. And boy oh boy, they threw the entire parts catalog at this old girl. Got brand new tires up front. Does have the spoked wheels, and it's got the spokes going to the outside of the bead, so it is a tubeless tire. The fog lights, we got the radiator grill, the skid plate for the bottom. This does have the adaptive light too, so that will actually, as you go through corners, will throw light into the dark areas. Adjustable height for the windshield. I know it's hard to see because it's camo, but it's there, I promise. Alright, bad joke, I know. We've got heated grips, anti-lock brakes, security, cruise control, traction control, cornering ABS, cornering traction control. You do have different ride modes on this, and there is a ton of them. Rain mode, road mode, sport mode, off-road mode. I think there's a off-road plus mode. Bags are also on here, detachable, but they are hard case bags with the locks. Did I mention brand new tires? I think I did. All LED, by the way. Headlights, taillights, everything. All LED. If you've never checked one of these out, definitely come down and do that. They are a super fun bike to ride, super powerful. I mean, they are just a blast. And this one, well, it's gorgeous. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.